Mazen is an SEO tool that allows you to quickly search for keywords and start new SEO campaigns. Let's take an example. I'm going to add a campaign for our site, Mazen. I first select the geographical area in which I want to work with here. For example, we will choose the USA and the appropriate language. I can then indicate the URL of my website that I want to target, and this will arrive directly on my dashboard. So now, all I have to do to start my campaign is to add my keywords. So I click here on Find New Keywords, and I get the keyword suggestion tool. To start my keyword research, I will first start with the keywords in which I am already well positioned for. So I enter the URL of my website to get the set of keywords in which I am already positioned for. In this list of keywords, I will select all the keywords and add them to my campaign. I'm going to select all of the keywords because these are the keywords in which I am already positioned for and are already interesting for me to work with. The second way to add keywords to my campaign is to search for keywords based on my competitors. So I will go back to the Find New Keywords tab and I will enter the URL of one of my competitors. Let's take Ranking Coach for example. I now have all the keywords in which my competitor is positioned for. In this list of keywords, I will also be able to select all the keywords that seem relevant to my campaign and then add them to work with later. For example, here I can find keywords such as do-it-yourself SEO software, easy SEO software, simple ranking, etc. I can therefore choose all the keywords in which it may be relevant for me to position myself in relationship to this competitor. I can now add them to my campaign. I can also replicate this action for all of my competitors. Finally, the last way to search for keywords is according to specific themes and/or certain topics. I will, for example, type directly SEO here. This shows me all of the requests that have been typed by users in the last 3 days in relationship to SEO. For example, SEO, SEO optimization, SEO website, etc. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see the main themes that will help me directly search for topics that are interesting for me. For example, here I can see the Google tab that displays all of the queries related to SEO and Google themes such as Google ranking, Google SEO optimization, etc. Here we have optimization. Mazen will classify all the queries found in all themes that may be interesting for my subject. This tool is one of the most successful in the market, and it makes it possible to look beyond the themes that were originally targeted for and not only focus on terms containing the word SEO. Mazen will suggest terms on a much wider basis, which saves a lot of time by directly filtering only the most interesting topics for me. I will be able to repeat these operations with new terms or new competitors to achieve several thousand relevant keywords in just under a few minutes of research.